friends. Welcome back. There's bees all over. My beans are getting a bit long. There's a very cute little bee buzzing around in my trellis right now. If I can, I will get a cute shot of him. The trellis is gorgeous, guys. It's like a jungle, and I love it. That is exactly what I wanted from a trellis. I wanted to be engulfed in leaves, and that is what's happening. And it is the best. That is so fun. Everybody should have a trellis. I grew a cucumber, guys. That's the only one. The beans. The beans. Actually, I see a bean. There's a nice bean. Another bean. Okay, we've got 2 beans. But the cherry tomatoes are loaded. I'll show you guys those. Cherry tomatoes. Some there. And there. And there. And up a little bit. And up even higher. These lowest ones, I harvested like 3 ripe cherry tomatoes already. It looks like these 2 might be turning soon. We've been getting a lot of zucchini and yellow squash. Seems like they could be producing more, but they aren't. Seems odd. Just a bad squash year, I think. I think the potatoes are doing well. You never know with those root vegetables. There's a watermelon. And look at this tiny one. Hi, baby watermelon. And next, we have peppers and jalapeno. With 1 jalapeno. This one's got more though. The okra has been putting off a lot, and that has been really nice. And actually, I see an okra bloom right now, and this is only the 2nd bloom I have seen. Wow, those okra flowers are so pretty. And the okra itself is okay. Such an odd vegetable. You guys have seen pretty much the highlight of the garden. The big tomatoes. First off, here is my super fantastic that is turning orange. Can't wait to try that. Now, my super fantastic tomatoes are all doing awesome. It is my pineapple heirloom and my big beef tomatoes that are doing a weird thing. So yeah, on both of my other tomato plants, I've got those weird spots on them, and I don't know what those are. I assume you can cut them off and still eat your tomato, which is what I'm gonna do. But I'd like to know how to prevent that in the future.